It's gonna make me want to drive this thing without a hood. Alright guys, time for that test fit. See how both are looking in the bay. Looks so sick. Make some KY right there, man. Man, looks good against that white.
So we can have a better picture.
Damn, son. God damn, guys, look at that. It looks so damn good. It just pops. Oh. Jesus. So yeah, as far as everything up here, I kind of want it to pop. Whenever we have time, I'll probably do a gallery gasket soon, and I'll do something with this cover, get it cleaned up. I need to find like a nice engine cover after we figure out how we're gonna fit the hood, and yeah, some kind of cover just to make it look clean, cover all that ugly ass shit up, because that stock manifold is very ugly. Shit looks like a damn waffle maker. But that motherfucker was holding 30 pounds on my Z with this shit. I ain't gonna talk. So sick. Jesus. Damn. It's gonna make me want to drive this thing without a hood. That looks so good. Everything takes time, man. Gotta have patience. Can't build a masterpiece overnight. So happy with how it looks so far. It's crazy, it's fire. The titanium was such a great choice for the charge pipes, bro. It like makes everything look crazy. So I can't wait till it's completely done and I have everything, you know, not looking so raggedy. Cause this is ugly and this is ugly, but it's cool. It's cool for right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get this redone eventually. Not sure what, most likely polished. It'll look good. And yeah, he still has to weld. He still has to weld that, so it's gonna have the lines in it like this. It's gonna have the zebra look like this. So they are not 100% done yet. But yeah. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be picking it up, taking it on back to the shop. Super pumped, man. I really cannot wait to drive this car. You guys do not understand. I've been having single turbo withdrawals for a long time. Oh, look at it, it's so sick. All right, guys, so slap the bumper on. I put this little, you know, my little ARC thing right there. This thing is expensive, bro. I don't know exactly how much it goes for, but I think it's like 500 bucks, maybe more. ARC shit, no joke. But look at that. Jesus. I'm trying not to say sheesh as much because I've been saying it forever and now it's like kind of played out because it's everywhere. But damn. Sheesh. Oh man, it looks so freaking good. I have like almost like tears of joy right now. It looks so good. Can't wait till everything's buttoned up. All I need to do is put the downpipe on, the dump tubes, and it's pretty much it. You know, all the miscellaneous stuff, like little clips. Check this out. I just noticed this, that my wastegates actually match the titanium pretty good. It's not on point, but you guys can't say that's not really close. So maybe I'll do the turbo. Maybe I'll do the turbo housing like this color. I'm not sure. It's either gonna be between like this, polish, maybe purple. I don't know. I really don't know yet, but I'll save it for later. Right now, we're gonna have the African American turbo, so. Damn, son. This is gonna be so sick, bro. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna have some good dreams tonight. That's all I'm gonna hear in my sleep. All right, guys, we hopping in the ETR. All right, guys, that's that. We will be back here in the morning.
Excited, very excited.
We're gonna tune back in the morning. We'll be picking the car up. Everything will be done.
7:59 a.m.
Key to happiness. Your boy over here is in a fantastic mood. The S15 is done. Finally. Well, not completed like running, but the turbo kit is done. You already know, guys. Your boy needed some young elote. Elote. That sounds like a ratchet ass girl's name. Bonquiqui elote. There it is, guys. She is ready to go to the shop. Super excited. Don't worry about the tape, it's just not bolted down. And the titanium is finished now. He had to weld it again, so we have those zebra stripes. It looks very sick. It looks very, very nice, I have to say. I feel like this build's gonna get a lot of love. I mean, the car itself is already sick. Even with an SR, it's sick, but you know, one level up, we got a better motor. Sorry, SR guys, it's just facts. A stock block VQ is better than probably a built SR, so it is what it is. King approved.
I like it. It's pretty badass.
Damn, he never says that.
Yeah.
It's so sick, man. It's one thing when this car's like indoors, but when it's outdoors, god damn, it looks so good. Bless, man. Then I can walk to this. This is like crazy. Sometimes I don't even be believing I achieved the stuff that I achieved. It's wild. Finally, guys, the day has come. It falls off and totals my GTR. Man, what a day that would be. God damn. I'm so excited! Shit, it's hot. Sheesh. That looks crazy, bro.
Yeah, if it had screws and would have flipped the fender.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, I almost demolished my bumper right now. All the clips like popped out. She made it. She met her long lost cousin up there. Sick. Very nice, very nice. All that's pretty much left is the small stuff. Do like a return system for the fuel. I need to source some fuel rails. I'm probably just gonna use the ones off my Z. I have injectors already. We got the wastegates. Yeah. And there might be a change in plans. We might do something different. Not 100% sure yet, but we might be doing something a little different on this. Just in order to get it to run faster and make sure everything works properly. So we'll see. Alright guys, we will be back here on Monday to start working on this. Yeah, and we're gonna go from there. We are scheduled to have this thing done in like 10 days. So that's the plan. Hopefully everything works out. If not, it is what it is, but that's the plan. The whole turbo kit is pretty much 100% complete. All right guys, here is the event right here. Bam. It's gonna be at the Hard Rock Hotel in Lake Tahoe, 26th and the 27th. So I'll be here. Regardless, if I'm not there with the S15, I'll be there with the GTR, so one of these cars. There's always so much going on with so little time. It's just how it works. All right guys, I'm gonna put you on real quick. If you didn't know about this, fire. The barbecue chop stop, smacking, banging. Bro, this shit's gas. Your skis. That's what it looks like right there. Fire. Now I'm debating if I should start my car, cause ooh, I guess that's good. Good stock. That's you. Hopefully they didn't hear that.